Hi friends, welcome to www.learningmoment.blogspot.com. Today I am going to explain you another one of the problems in the list of aptitude is average. Average is also a problem which is also very useful for the all the sorts of competitive examinations. Okay, let us come back to the problem. Average. Average means the only thing which strikes in your mind is average will be equal to average equals to sum of all observations by number of observations, right? Everyone of you know that average means sum of all numbers by number of numbers. I think, but if you are going to consider 5 items, then if you want to find the average means average will be equal to sum of all items by number of items. Okay, let us look at one of the problem. You can't do that, but the problem will not be directly asking you to find by giving some 5 items and find the average. It will be a very silly problem, but some differently they will ask you problems. Example, consider this problem: average of 8 observations, that is nothing but average of 8 items. Average of 8 observations is 26, and in that, if the average of first 5 observation is 18.2, then what will be the average of last 3 observations, right? Got it? There is 8 observations. In that 8 observation, 5 observation was given, and we have to find the remaining three observations. How we are going to find this? First, we have to. Before that, I would like to explain one thing. If whenever you ask to find the average problem, please take it in the form of sum of observations, because sum of observations, from the sum of observation we can easily find the solution. Sum of observations is equals to average into number of observations. Okay, if whenever you ask to find the average problems, please convert in the form of sum of observations. Sum of observations is nothing but average into number of observations. Like in that same process, from the given procedure, we have that average of 8 observations. How we have to do it means, first convert it into the sum of observations. Sum of 8 observations is equals to sum of 8 observations is equals to average into number of observations, right? Like that, we know that average of 8 observations. So average into number of observations, no? So average is 26, and number of observations is 8. So 26 into 8 is 4. 8 2s are 16, 20, 208. Okay. And in the same way, we know that first 5 observations, and we have to find the last 3 observations. So take the sum of first 5 observations. We know that for sum of first 5 observations 18.2. So first we have to take the 18.2 into 5. Then answer will be 0, 0, 1, and 8, 1, and 5, 9. 91.0. The answer is 91.0. And what we have to find? We have to find the average of last 3 observations. How we can find this? By subtracting 8 from the 5, we will get the sum of 3 observations, right? So subtracting, we want to subtract 208 from 91. 8 minus 1 is 7, and 19 minus 9 is 8 minus is 1, no, sorry, 20 minus 9 is 11, right? From this we can find the average. Average is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations is 117, number of observations is 3. So from dividing it, we will get the average of 3 observations, right? 3 times 9, and 2 3 9 times. We will get the average of 3 observations like this. Okay, this is the way of finding the problems for some averages. And let us look at the another example of the averages. If whenever you ask to find the averages, already say that please convert in the form of sum of observations so that we can easily find the solution. In this problem, we have average of 17 boys is 12 and average of 13 girls is 18. Then we have to find the average of all the students. Okay, there it has given the two things. That is nothing but one is a boys and one is a girl, and we have to sum the all the thing. We will, after summing all this together, we will get the students, right? Let us do the problem. First, we have to convert into the sum of, already I said that please convert in the form of sum, so we will get the answer in easily. So sum of 17 boys is equals to, sum is nothing but average into number of observations. Average is, we know that average of 17 is 12. 12 into number of observations is 17. It is 17 to 34 and 17 1 17 and we get 204. And we have to find the sum of 13 girls. Sum of 13 girls is equal to number of average is 18 into number of average number. Okay, 13 8 4 3 2. Okay, what they asked to find, they asked to find the average of all students. How we can get the average of all students? By summing the boys and girls, we get the students, right? So sum of boys plus girls, how many boys plus girls there are? Altogether we will get the 30 students, right? By summing it 8 3 4 38, and we have to find the average. How we can find the average? Average is equals to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observation is 438 and we will get the number of observations 30. Okay, 3 1 times 3 0, 3 1 times, and 3 4 times, 3 6 times, and we will get the 14.6. Average of our students is 14.6, right? This is the way of finding the average of all students. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, catch me at www.learninmoment.blogspot.com. Have a nice day. Bye bye.